How to transfer money from Wise business account to Pakistan. So first of all, you have two options. Either you have the money in your PKR account or you have it in your USD account. So let's say I want to transfer the money from my USD account. So I will just click over here, and now I will click send. And from here I need to add the business account right now. So just click over add at the very top, and from here if you want to transfer your money from Wise to a business that is operating in Pakistan, all you need is just to click this third option, which is business or charity. Once you do this, it will ask the currency. So in my case it's PKR. So I will just put the email over here of the business where I'm transferring my money, and then I will be entering the name of the business or the organization over here, and at the very bottom I will be adding the IBN number of their bank account. So that's all the information that you need to put. Once you click on confirm, it will send a 4-digit code on your register mobile account, and once you confirm that, uh, bank account will be added in your Wise account. So from later on, whenever you want to transfer, all you need is come to the home page, and from here you will see, let me just click over here, and once you click on send, you will be seeing those options over here. And once you click on that, let's say this is the business account I'm trying to send the money on. So I will just put on the money over here, and now click on continue. It will again send me a 4-digit confirmation code, and once I verify that, it will transfer the money to my business account in Pakistan. So that's it.